Let's take a walk through the garden, come and see. Kain gari yani mubi. Biyahu sweet fruits from Igbo just for you and me. Mkpụrụ osisi motosi na Igbo, nani munage. African olive, that's boko. African olive, kya hubo bapoko. Soft and yummy, let's eat it slow. Oh, dino majunta kairi yamayo. African star apple, sweet and round. African star apple, udana buru buru. Udara falling from the tree to the ground. Udara nesi nosisi ahudana la. Red or yellow, juicy inside. Ushema mudodo kemiri numbe. Take a big bite, let's enjoy the ride. Fruits in Igbo, fruits in English. Mkpụrụ osisi na Igbo, mkpụrụ osisi na be tasty and healthy, so delicious. Di muto na huike na going along, come on, let's go. Buwe gubia kaniga. Igbo fruits in a lovely show. Mkpụrụ osisi Igbo ni hengosi marama. Apple is crunchy, udara beki we say. Apple agaba, akara beki yeku. It's 1 in the morning every day. Ubo you bez avocado pear. Ubo you bob avocado pear. Mash it on bread, jam it's fair to share. Chicha yana chicha yum, but don't make it call it up. Banana is sweet, we call it together. Banana toto in a boy all together. Peel and eat, throw the skin away. Be Maria, chifya pupa who. That bit just too big, oh so nice. That bit no new bit all ma. Add some salt, it's a tasty slice. Tiny and nutty, berry don't die. Fruits in Igbo, fruits in English. Mkpụrụ osisi na Igbo, mkpụrụ osisi na be tasty and healthy, so delicious. Don't turn out, we cannot sing along. Come on, let's go. Igbo fruits in a lovely show. Mkpụrụ osisi Igbo ni hengozi marama. Blackberry, mkpụrụ ji on the tree. Blackberry, mkpụrụ ji nelo sisi. Purple and juicy, wild and free. Purple na kemiri. Here nane for blueberries, pura nunu. Blueberry, bon pura nunu. Tiny round in a bowl of spoon. No let it up, rubuna nu kwefere mabunga jo. Abona is a bush mango seed. Abona bush mango puru. Good for soup, take a sweet indeed. Odi mama coffee, okay no tonezi. Mkpụrụ cashew, the cashew fruit. Osisi cashew, puro osisi cashew. Juicy on top, the nuts, the roots. Juicy nelu akubumbaru blue. Cucumber is long, okuruba. Cucumber de ogologo okuruba. Cool and fresh like a mini spa. Or the mama do hulu de kabere spa. Garden egg is anyara. Ube akwabo anyara. Bitter or sweet it goes fara. Iluma buntona gate ka. Great is small mkpụrụ ven pebe mkpụrụ ven. Pick and eat, they taste so fine. Oro mariha na to kuku. Guava is soft, ugoba so green. Guava de ro, ugoba de nundu. Slice and chew, it's a tasty dream. Di beri na iko, bulana tuto. Jackfruit is big, ukwa oibo. Jackfruit is big, ukwa oibo. Sticky and yellow, watch it glow. Ingapade na edo leka na emu. Lemon is sour, oroman kirisi. Lemon utojo, oroman kirisi. Squeeze it in tea, or drink it icy. Fanye ya natima bono ya nepoku. Leko na emu. Lemon is sour, oroman kirisi. Lemon utojo, oroman kirisi. Squeeze it in tea, or drink it icy. Fruits in Igbo, fruits in English. Mkpụrụ osisi, Igbo mkpụrụ osisi. Na bekee, tasty and healthy. Tasty and healthy, so nutritious. Demuto na huike, ledozi ooh. Now we know, come on let's show. Ugwa animara bia kaigo sweet. We love our fruits from head to toe. Mkpụrụ osisi, Igbo na atomto. Thank you for watching. Dalu makaitiri. Please remember to subscribe.